Hello viewers,
Hello
today we
viewers,
are
today we
talk
are
about
talk about
George
George
Spencer
Spencer
Watson.
Watson.
1869 to
George Spencer
1934 was a
Watson,
prominent English
1869 to
painter,
1934,
celebrated for his captivating
was a
portraits and genre
distinguished
scenes
English
that
portrait artist
exemplified
associated
a
with the
delicate
late Romantic
interplay between realism
school,
and romanticism. Born
often
in
drawing
London, Western
inspiration from the
grew
Italian
up
Renaissance.
in an
Born on
environment
8
that
March
fostered
1869 in London,
creativity and artistic
he
curiosity.
demonstrated an
His work
early
spanned
aptitude
several
for art,
decades,
leading
during
him to
which he
enroll
earned
at the Royal Academy School in
widespread
1889.
acclaim for
During
his
his
technical
studies,
mastery
he
and
earned
emotional depth.
silver medals in 1889
George
and
Spencer
1891
Watson was born on 8 March
and was awarded
1869
the
into a
prestigious
family that encouraged artistic
Lancashire
pursuits. His
School.
early interest in art led him to enroll at the Royal Academy School in London, where he studied from 1889 to 1895. At the Academy, Watson trained under notable artists and honed his skill in drawing, composition, and the study of light and texture. The institution's rigorous training and emphasis on classical techniques deeply influenced Watson's style, which combined traditional approaches that an individualistic flair. Watson's artistic journey began during a period of tradition in British art, while many contemporaries explored modernist style. Watson adhered to the principles of the old masters, blending their influence with his distinctive interpretation of beauty and formal. His works often captured a dreamlike quality, reflecting his interest in romanticism and a nuanced understanding of human emotion. Watson portraits were particularly celebrated as they often revealed the personalities and inner worlds of his subjects. He painted notable figures of his time, including arts creates artists and intellectuals, and his work was widely sought after by the upper echelons of British society. His ability to infuse his portraits with warmth and vitalities set him apart, making him one of the leading portraits of his era. In addition to portraits, Watson created narrative and genre paintings that depicted idyllic scenes of rural life and intimate domestic moments. These were characterized by their rich color plates and meticulous attention to detail, exuded a scene of nostalgia and serenity. Watson's style was rooted in realism but also bore elements of the Romantic and pre-Raphaelite movements. His admiration for the techniques of Renaissance masters like Titian and Velasquez was evident in his use of layered glazes, and Lemonious Cooler. He also drew inspiration from his contemporaries, including John Singer Sargent and Philip de Laszlo, both of whom shared a commitment to capturing the essence of their subjects. Watson's work often explored themes of beauty, elegance, and the passage of time. He was known for his sensitivities, portrayal of women, whom he often depicted with an ethereal grace. His paintings demonstrated a harmonious balance between technical precision and poetic expression. In 1909, Watson married Hilda Mary, a talented sculptor. The couple lived in London and later moved to picturesque house in the Dorset countryside called Denshire Manor. The rural setting provided inspiration for many of Watson's work and became a central part of his life and artistic identity. The couple's daughters, Mary Spencer Watson, also became a distinguished sculptor, continuing the family artistic legacy. Watson's career was marked by numerous accolades and exhibitions. He was elected a member of the Royal Academy in 1923